All right, calling in cases CR 4224-2935 and CR 4223-4668, State of Idaho versus Tonia Huber. Is that your name, ma'am? I'm sorry, I didn't hear your response.
He's asking if that's your name.
Oh, yes.
Sorry, are you hearing me okay?
Yes.
All right, in the 2935 case, you're charged here with harboring a fugitive, which is a felony crime and carries a potential penalty of up to 5 years in prison and or up to $50,000 in fines if you're convicted. The second charge is eluding. That's a felony crime and carries a potential penalty of up to 5 years in prison and or up to $50,000 in fines. And the final charge is possession of controlled substance, also a felony charge. And that carries up to 7 years in prison, up to $15,000 in fines if you're convicted. You understand what those three charges are?
Yes.
And you understand the potential penalties?
Yes.
You went over the notification of rights form as to this case. Do you have any questions about your rights?
No.
I'll find that there's probable cause to support the charge in the case. I'll also find that I'll appoint the public defender to represent you. And we'll get this set for a preliminary hearing. That's going to be on April 5th at 8:15. Next, let's turn to the 4668 case. There you had failed to appear at a pretrial conference last August. A bench warrant was issued for your arrest with bail set at $1,000. I will appoint the public defender to represent you on that case also. And we'll set this for a pretrial conference. That'll be on May 21st at 1:30. Let's go ahead and address bail then. What's the state's position on bail in the felony case, Mr. Williams?
We are asking for a $500,000 bail on this case. This is a case that stemmed out of her allegedly harboring two fugitives who were on the run, having escaped and possibly committed other more violent crimes by the time they reached her. In the felony eluding, she was driving 100 miles an hour through neighborhoods in Twin Falls in an attempt to further the escape of these two men who were wanted on violent felony charges. Once she was finally stopped in the parking lot of a store in the middle of the day, she was found to possess fentanyl on her person, and so that's the nature of the third charge. Her previous record is two convictions, one in 2005, one in 2010, one in 2015 for possession of controlled substance. The first one she got a probation on. The second one, a probation, which as a result of violations was changed into a rider. We believe that it is important to keep her from fleeing the jurisdiction, and that the nature of this crime and her involvement with two even more serious criminals is extensive and serious.
Are you seeking pretrial release supervision as well?
If there is a pretrial release, yes.
Mr. Gaddis, to the city case?
With respect to the misdemeanor, Your Honor,
Yes.
I won't rehearse the facts that led to her arrest. As the court mentioned, the bail that was originally issued with respect or ordered with respect to the warrant for her failure to appear was $1,000. We believe that given the circumstances, that should be increased. The state recommended $50,000 for this misdemeanor.
All right, thank you. Mr. Anderson?
They called the attorney to drop the charges.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Huber does have extensive ties to the community. She states she has been in the area her whole life and all her family is here. She wants the court to know she does work in home health care. It's very important to her to be able to maintain her job, take care of her family, two grandsons, and would be requesting pretrial release as well and monitoring. She has no objection to that. We are requesting the court at a lower bond. We're requesting a $50,000 bond. Thank you.
All right, thank you, ma'am. On the 2935 case, I'll set your bail at $500,000 with pretrial release supervision. If you do post that bail, you'll need to go straight to the pretrial release office to get signed up with them for supervision as soon as you get out. And in the 466 case, I'll raise bail to $5,000. And we will see you at the pretrial conference in that case on May 21st. And in the felony case, the preliminary hearing on April 5th. Any questions, ma'am?
No.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
That'll be all for today, Tom.
So what's that?
Then as soon as we're ready for me, just let us know. Well,
He's on his way, Your Honor. It'll be just a minute.
thank you. All right, we're on the record in Edmund case 42-24-102. This is State of Idaho versus Skylar Meade. Is that your name, sir?
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Yes, it is.
All right, thank you. Sir, a warrant's been served on you out of Ada County in case number CR 01249524-1. Now that's on a charge of felony escape. That warrant has bail set at $2 million. If you post that bail, then you'll be given a date to appear in Ada County. If you do not post that bail, then they will arrange to transport you there as soon as you are available for transport. You were given the notification of rights form. Looks like you signed that. Do you have any questions regarding your rights?
No.
All right, any questions on the case at all?
No. No, I don't.
Okay, thank you. That's all for today. We're in recess.
Okay.